Leak investigation. This customer called and said they used to not have a pond next to their house. They also have an extremely high water bill. So you put two and two together, you got a leak. The way this works is you got a meter that goes to a backflow, that goes to solenoids, that goes to sprinkler heads. Basically, the solenoid wasn't shutting off all the way, so it was allowing the sprinkler system to stay pressurized a little bit 24/7. And that's a recipe for disaster when it comes to this big old break. So we were able to pinpoint it with our Leak Pro Detection Kit, and if you don't got it, I recommend you get it because it really has helped us out on locating leaks. From there, we're going to install what we call a swing joint. It's basically 490s. It's the only way to really do a good repair on these rigid PVC lines. We'll cut all that out, patch this pipe, we'll let the glue dry for about an hour, and then we'll test it and get it back in business. And you are good to go. Always call TCR. We're here for you, baby. Let's get it.